YouTube, what's up? It's the Anonymous Sneakerhead. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Also, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. All that's out the way. I'm going to throw the intro at y'all, and then we're going to get into this video. Alright, so y'all saw the title, y'all saw the thumbnail. I promise y'all this is not clickbait. I got a pair of Air Jordan 4s for only $75, and yes, they're legit. Big shout out to Unbreakable Kicks, one of my favorite sneaker YouTubers out there. I follow him on Instagram, and literally yesterday morning, he posted a picture saying that if you go to Finish Line right now and use promo code GET50AFF, I'll put it on the screen right here, GET50AFF, you could get the Air Jordan black gum bottom laser 4s for $75. I didn't believe it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I didn't have a reason not to, but I was like, that sounds too good to be true. So anyways, I opened up Finish Line. I went, looked up the laser 4s. They had them on there they retailed for $200. They had them on sale already for $150. So already I'm like, there's no way they'll put another 50% on top of that. But sure enough, I went through, I put the promo code in, they gave me another 50% off on top of that, and they came up to $75. I paid $7 for shipping and handling, so $82, and they got here in one day with the standard shipping. I ordered these yesterday, and I got them today. So without further ado, man, let's get into the box, and let's see exactly what we have here, and let's go over this review. Boom, there it is. Y'all see the box, man. You know what it is. You already know what it is. The Jordan 4 box got the cement pattern on the bottom, the big Jordan logo with the white flight on the bottom, on the top of the box. Cool. And here's the tag right here, as y'all can see, size 12, personal pair. There's no resale value in these at all. Got them for $75, and a bunch of other people did. There actually is a little bit of resale value. I think they're going for like $145, but I got these for me because I saw the steal price. So let's open this box and see what we got in here. Boom, take the top right off. Finish Line receipt. Boom. So, oh yeah. So here we go. So y'all can see it. We got the black paper. So nobody was gonna tell me I'm ashy. That's crazy. Look around each shoe. Let me be careful not to rip it. And both of the shoes are the same, so I'll just take out the right one. And boom, here we go. These are definitely clean. You know what I mean? Now this is a shoe that, like I said, it retailed when it came out in January, I believe. It retailed for $200, the Laser 4, and it was a first come first serve shoe. Really believe it? And for those of you out here who don't know what that means, now in 2019 with technology and everything, just to make hype sneaker releases safer, most shoes are reservation only. These were first come first serve, meaning when the store opens at 10 o'clock, you get there, and if you're there, you could buy them. It was a pretty general release as well, and it tends to be now that people don't get too excited for first come first serve releases. Hype beasts don't see any value in that. Why? I don't know. This is a dope shoe to me. Look at it. Let's see if you can see the detailing on it. Nice little laser 4 pattern. Similar pattern to what we've seen on the previous 2 laser 4s, but as you could probably see, and I'll get into it real quick, there's one small difference which a lot of people think takes a lot of value away from the shoe, and that is the fact that it is not laser etched. And it's a great quality leather, great premium leather. I say the quality on these shoes is up to par with the Bread 4s that we got earlier this year. The quality wise, it's a great quality shoe, but like I said, it's not laser etched like the regular laser 4s. It's just a print on the shoe, kind of like what we've seen with the what were they called, the tattoo 4s. I'll put a picture of them right there. But it's printed on the leather the exact same way as the tattoo 4s are. For me, like I said, that doesn't take away too much value from the shoe, especially considering that I got them for only $75. It's still a black Air Jordan 4, and if you guys know me, I'm a sucker for a gum sole, a gum bottom. So these come with the gum bottom, so they won't get dirty, you know what I'm saying? Not that little icy sole that'll turn yellow and get dirty over time. It's not a white sole that'll get brown over time. I love the gum bottom look on it, and like I said, at the end of the day, it's a black 4. I needed another Air Jordan 4 in my collection. This was perfect, $75. I got to pick it up. Boom, I get to take this out. Let's see what we got in here. Just a regular sock liner, you know what I'm saying? Nothing different. But yeah, man, these are awesome. I'm gonna go give y'all the on foot, and then I'll be right back with it. Alright, you juice, so y'all got to see the on foot. I am really excited about having these in my collection. I'm probably gonna wear them a lot. Like I said, it's a black shoe with a gum bottom. You can't go wrong, especially for $75. It's a shame what happened to this shoe as far as the hype is concerned. The shoe kind of did it to itself for two reasons. One, that it was first come, first serve, and when people hear first come, first serve, they associate that there's no hype with the shoe, so they just, I'll just let it sit. And obviously you can see it's been sitting since January. And B, the one small gripe that I have is that they missed out with the actual laser etching. As you can see, they did it like the Tattoo 4, so I'll call these the Tattoo Laser 4s. But other than that, all in all, it's a dope shoe. I'm gonna play around with the lacing. You guys probably know by now how I like to wear my shoes with the laces. I hate dead stock lacing, but I just wanted to get it on foot for y'all real quick. Another thing that I forgot to mention, can you see it in here? Just like, because this is something that's dope to me. I showed it on my Air Jordan 5 video, but right in here you got the Air Jordan tag upside down for those that like to wear it with the tongue out, like Mike. So that way you'll be able to read Air Jordan. As you can see on the outside of the tongue, like we have on the top of the box, it's reversed. Instead of the red Jumpman with the white flight, we got a white Jumpman with the red flight. And on the back of this shoe, it is a Jumpman, not a Nike Air. And a lot of people be like, oh, it's not a good Jordan 4 if it doesn't have the Nike Air. You guys got to remember that the Jordan 4 Laser is an anniversary shoe. So all of the Jordan 4 Lasers, the first two that we got before and these, all have the Jumpman and not the Nike Air on the back. To me, this takes absolutely nothing away from the shoe. I actually don't know how this shoe would look with the Nike Air on the back. I think the nice, simple Jumpman is much cleaner for this shoe. So y'all got to see it. Yes, I did get these for $75. Big shout out to Unbreakable Kicks for giving me that information. I know a couple people on my Instagram said that they picked them up after I posted the promo code. I'm pretty sure that they're all gone now, because nobody could pass up on that deal, $75 for some Air Jordan 4s. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, and I'll see y'all at the next one.